this chapter we are going to analyze the different type of reparations in a typical fiberglass boat. We are going to repair one side of the hull because the hull was cracked, external damage of the gel coat, and also damage on the fiber. We need to make a hull in order to repair the structure properly. In this particular case, you need to be careful with the thickness of the hull, because we need to fabricate one piece of fiberglass with the external color, the gel coat, similar, pretty close to the original. And we are going to clean the area. We are going to clean that area with the acetone properly, and we are going to sand around the edge of the area that we need to repair. Ready? And after that, we are going to prepare the gel coat with the same color. Don't forget the resin is per ounce. Per each ounce you have 12 drops. Per each quarter of a resin you have 11 cubic centimeters of MEK. Or if you prepare a gallon, you apply 40 cubic centimeters of hardener or MEK. That's your preference. Be careful with the temperature. Be careful with the humidity. If it's raining, I don't recommend. I prepare in a dry day with a good environment, properly ventilated. Use the goggles, the gloves. Prepare the area. Prepare fans and grinders and brushes and rollers. Okay, this is a job commonly required in marinas, and you can do that project if you have a small boat and you have a crack on the side. It's easy. The only that you need is be organized. You need a clean area, good ventilation, good materials. Don't forget, we are going to use polyester resin. We are going to use mat. We are going to use the e-glass, the silica balloons, the fumes, mix it with the resin and gel coat. I recommend prepare the paint in a professional storage dedicated to matching colors for automotive and boats. They have the experience, they have the pigments, and they obtain the same color. I hope you enjoy this episode.